Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. This video we are going to discuss about an important AI tool which will be very helpful for researchers and students. So it has many inbuilt templates which is very useful for academic writing. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool. An important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on AI powered research paper crafting, the ChatGPT and AI revolution. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools which will be useful for research paper writing. So, and also we are going to discuss about different types of prompts, that is especially research prompts in ChatGPT, and how that research prompts will be useful for us to bring a better content from ChatGPT. So these are the things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. As EV charging station become popular nowadays, so here is an opportunity to have a live Matlab workshop on EV charging station with PV and wind energy sources. The main objective of this workshop is to model PV and wind energy sources fed EV charging station, and we are going to explore with how to do it in Matlab step-by-step procedure, and also we are going to explore what are the different MPPT techniques used in this PV and wind energy sources to extract maximum power to give EV charging station. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. So you will surely learn about the modeling of EV charging station in Matlab. See you on our workshop. Here is the Matlab workshop, a comprehensive Matlab workshop from basics to advanced application. So in this workshop we are going to explore about Matlab environment, 2D and 3D plotting, and also we are going to discuss about various toolbox available in Simulink, that is neural network, NFIS and fuzzy logic toolbox. So in this workshop will surely brings about an basic knowledge about Matlab and what are the important things we can do with Matlab. So don't forget to register our online workshop on Matlab. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. So see you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss is that Cramly AI. So this is the dashboard of this Cramly AI. So in this you will be having an option called recipes. So click on recipes. So you will be having different AI templates here. So for students, for professionals, like that it will be having different things. So for students, writing, STEM and fun. So for professional, email, blog and career. So first we are going to explore it with students. So click on students. So here you can see it's like a chatbot. You can ask anything to Cramly. So that Cramly AI chatbot will answer question for you. Next you can see paragraph assistant. It helps you to write short or long essays using prompt. Next to multi-choice solver. So here test prepare for test and quizzes used for MCQ. Next long essay assistant. So compose well researched essays 5 pages or more, complete with citations. So next one, so this will be a better option. So here you can see this is belong to premium. So next one, premium math solver. So if an AI and a calculator has a baby, so it will solve max questions. So next discussion board, college apps, essay outline. So cover letter generator, article summarizer, essay paraphraser. So sentence elongator, this one is very useful for our research paper. So not happy with that sentence, help structure and restate a sentence to make it more effective. So you can copy and paste the sentence, so it will generate a more effective sentence. Apart from this you will be having Christmas card, song generator, Valentine's card, so etc. So related with fun. So for professionals, so click on professionals. So you can see general, blog post, email response, cold email, blog outline, blog intro, testimonial generator. So these are the things related with professionals. So for students you will be having different templates, especially paragraph assistant, general assistant. Next long essay writer, next one essay outline, so article summarizer, essay paragrapher. So like that these are the things. Next one important thing is sentence elongator. So here you can see short of words, add more details and impact any sentence. This is a unique template. You can see sentence elongator. I haven't seen this kind of template anywhere. So this sentence elongator is a different template here, so you can use this option. So let us explore this some of the option. So click on sentence elongator. So in this sentence elongator, you can copy and paste any sentence. For example, say I am going to copy and paste a sentence here. So I am going to copy and paste a small sentence. So users can provide resources without needed. So a small sentence I can copy here. So go to that Cramly. So here I have copied the sentence. So and then click on ask. So let us see how this Cramly will generate elongated sentence. So here you can see. So this is the sentence which is changed, that is elongated. So the some of the words has been also changed. So you can use this kind of option. Even if your paper is subjected to plagiarism, you can use this sentence elongated option. Or else if you are struggling to write this, write a better sentence in your research paper, you can use this option, sentence elongator. So next one is that here you can see essay paraphraser. So not happy with a sentence, help structure and restate sentence, make it more effective. So in this, if you are not happy with the sentence, I am going to explore this one. So I am going to copy and paste the content here. So copy and paste the sentence here and then click on ask. So let us see how it will work. So here you can see. So this is the paraphrased content. So here we have given, so we haven't deleted that one. So cloud computing is a technology that allows users to access. So here you can see cloud computing is technological advancement. So is the sentence is paraphrased. So if your paper is subjected to plagiarism, so you can use this kind of option to paraphrase the content. So this is the essay, that is essay writer. So next one you can see paragraph assistant and then long essay assistant. So here we will explore with paragraph assistant. So in this paragraph, write 2 paragraph and essay about Cold War in a convincing tone. So like that you can give. So write, sorry, so you have to click your prompt here. So 2 paragraph of essay about Cold War in a convincing tone. Here the default thing I have given the same itself. So let us see how it will generate the content. So here our content is started to generated. So the Cold War was a period of intense geopolitical tension between United States and Soviet Union. So like that it has generated content in 2 paragraphs. So like that you can make use of this option to generate a content. So this Cramly you can use 5 free questions. So after that you have to go for subscription option. So here, just a minute, I will show the billing details related to this Cramly. This is $4.99 per month, and for monthly subscription it is $9.99, $10. So if you are go on and explore with this 5 questions, if it works out well for your research paper content or any academic content, so you can go for subscription often if you are interested in. So this is all about this Cramly AI. Then important thing in this Cramly AI, this sentence elongator is a different template. So make use of this option in Cramly AI, so to make your research paper writing simple. So hope this video will bring an aware about this Cramly AI tool. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.